dancing. Imagine you're dancing for Krishna. Dance the best dance to the gods, to all the celestial beings. Dance, dance, dance with the soul. Movement come from the heart. So you're connected to your spiritual guide, your master is coming to help you heal your body, take away all your pain, take away all the anger, the sadness, and to give you joy, freedom, happiness. Dancing to the gods. You are the Tara, and the Tara is with you. Okay, slowly bring your hand. Yes, close it down. Hold it. Put your abdomen, the tongue can bring both for palm, the tongue.